my name is Leah Herb. I'm a student specialist for Highland in 2nd grade. Last year I volunteered in Miss Jester's room in kindergarten and I really enjoyed it, so I wanted to continue that this year, and whenever I learned about student specialists, it sounded like an amazing opportunity. They're very much different from just even one grade level. They're so different, and it's really nice to see how much that they learn in each year. Experience and getting to observe every student and getting to learn about each student and how each teacher has their different methods of teaching. It's been very exciting to learn. This year, whenever we do little group centers for reading, and one of my groups, they got done early and they were asking me to give them really hard words to try and spell. It was just fun getting to just be fun with the kids and stuff. Seeing how excited they get and how many connections I've made with them, I wasn't expecting to, but now they've become a huge part of my everyday life, and I really like seeing them every single day.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Batters and I teach 2nd grade at Highland Elementary School. It's been a really great experience. They get to come in and sometimes they're students that I've had in the past because I've been here long enough for that now. And they come in and they get to experience what it's like to work with the kiddos. They get to see the backside of teaching, and I love having them because they're always so excited to kind of see what's happening, especially in the elementary school since now they're in high school. So it's been a great experience. Mine comes in and sometimes she works on like grading papers and helping me stay up with paperwork or cutting things out, but mostly she works with small groups of kiddos. So she comes in during my reading time and I do a lot of small group time. So she will sit with a group and either read with them or help them do whatever the center is that day, if it's like filling out a paper or working on a project. She gets to have the experience and we get to have the extra support in the room. So it's a really great relationship. Fantastic to see how far they came, especially when, in elementary school, I'm in 2nd grade. They finally get to like graduate and you get to see all that hard work pay off. So it's been amazing to get to see them come in and be ready to like go out on their own and start their whole journey in their world. I get to see these kids come through and make something great of themselves.
Right now I'm looking to go to college at possibly Millersville and then get my degree in early childhood education and then hopefully become a teacher.